Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study for Business Management IB. First, familiarize yourself with the syllabus, understanding all 5 units and their specific learning objectives. This foundational step ensures you cover all necessary content. Next, create a realistic study timetable, allocating dedicated time for each topic. Consistent effort, even for 30-minute sessions, builds strong understanding over time. Finally, integrate real-world examples and case studies into your learning to see how theories apply practically. To master the content, begin by creating concise notes and flashcards for all essential definitions, theories, and models. Active recall is crucial for memorization. Regularly practice writing essays for Paper 1 and Paper 2 questions, adhering to strict time limits. This builds speed and structure. Don't just write. Seek constructive feedback from teachers or peers on your essays. Understanding your weaknesses is key to turning them into strengths. For exam success, it's vital to understand command terms. Knowing the difference between explain and evaluate will significantly impact your grades. Practice completing full past papers under timed conditions, just like the actual exam. This helps manage your time effectively and reduces exam day anxiety. Always review examiner reports. They offer invaluable insights into what examiners look for and common pitfalls to avoid. As you approach the exams, consolidate all your notes into a concise revision guide. This makes last-minute review efficient and effective. Consider forming a study group with classmates to discuss challenging concepts and share different perspectives. Collaborative learning can deepen your understanding. And hey, if you're looking for ways to make your study routine smoother, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. They can really help keep you fueled and focused.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.